Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is September the 2nd, 2023. Here to talk about Kaspa today because there was an article that came out telling us that the hash rate for Kaspa has been increasing, but you look at the price for this cryptocurrency and it's going down. Makes you wonder what's really going on in the market, because when you look at this article here, here's an article right here. Kaspa hash rate is skyrocketing. When will the price follow? Now, KAS is currently making headlines as its network hash rate nears an impressive 20 petahash per second, according to a crypto trader called cryptographer. For those not familiar with the term, a hash rate means the computational power used to maintain a blockchain network. It keeps it secure. The more network you have, more computers, more computational power going towards a cryptocurrency, the stronger it is. This burgeoning hash rate indicates an incredibly healthy and secure network and suggests substantial miner interest. So people are actually utilizing this network, is what this article is going on to say for Kaspa. Now, the next paragraph could be the reason why the hash rate is increasing, because it became one of the most lucrative coins to mine at present. See, early on in the days of the cryptocurrency span, Bitcoin used to be cheap. It used to be easy to get Bitcoin to hash, to mine Bitcoin. Well, now when you see the price of Bitcoin in tens of thousands of dollars, the hash rate, the competition of the hash has gone to miners. Like, you have miner farms being generated and created just to mine Bitcoin. And it lowers how people can enter and also mine Bitcoin for themselves. So you have Kaspa here now. And it's becoming lucrative. It's easier for you to open up a miner, and it costs less for you to mine Kaspa than it does for you to bring in. This robust hash rate growth seems to be driven by favorable block rewards and the coin's appreciating value. Miners are flocking to KAS as they perceive the ecosystem to be more rewarding compared to others, i.e. Bitcoin. So they're flocking to hash rate to make more money. Now take a look at this though. When I zoom out the price chart for Kaspa, you can tell that, price has been appreciating to go right alongside the hash rate. But over the last couple of trading days, the market price in Kaspa has done what? It has gone down. But does it mean that the hash rate is going down? As long as more and more miners continue to flock to Kaspa because they see that the rewards is greater than the expenses, then it'll be asinine for you not to come over here to this network, to this blockchain. This could just be the beginning of what Kaspa can do as long as the rewards are greater than the risk, i.e. expending resources to mine this cryptocurrency. Now, as always, we need to have more applications, more usage of this network in order for those incoming miners to seek and continue to see the rewards. If that stops in Kaspa, then the mining will also stop, which will also lower the price of this cryptocurrency. So I did a price prediction into the market in Kaspa right here on August the 25th, and you guys can see I was playing the weakness into the market in Kaspa there. You guys can see on the 29th, 4 days later, the market hit our 13.69% target. Pretty good. Nothing has changed though. I really want you all to see how price is still trading below our descending line, which simply means that the market is weaker right now than it is currently giving us strength. Now, for us to see the market in Kaspa bounce off of this area here, 0.032, it takes us to the last spot that buyers came into the market, right? The volume on July the 25th, as well as where the market traded, you guys can see that price ran up from there. Are we going to see the same thing now in Kaspa? Because this is the second go around. The buyers came in here on the 25th. They also came through on the 29th of August with a whole price. Because currently, I think the market is a little bit stronger right now, but not by a lot. I don't think that the market is drastically bullish. I still suspect until we see this market in Kaspa break this downtrend line to the upside, that we still have to consider that the overall price is still weak. Okay. Here it is on the month. Now, when I show you this monthly chart, don't get scared, because I'm giving you all a heads up as to what price looks like, and it looks weak. the price action for Kaspa for the month of August, that is drastically weak right there. When you see the inability of a price to not close on the high of the price bar, it resembles that there was a lot more selling than there were people trying to come in and buy the coin. Now, we're still seeing the overall trend in Kaspa, like the trend direction is still higher. Okay, so this is pretty much like an entry. Like, at what point would you want to come in and purchase this cryptocurrency? And from the monthly time frame, it looks like you may want to wait until Kaspa comes and confirm this trend line right here. Okay, so look, you want to see the market in Kaspa come through and confirm this trend line. Now, I know many of you will say it doesn't look like it's going to come down this low. It's not going to happen. The market is too strong. The hash rate is increasing for Kaspa. There's no possible way that we're going to see Kaspa come all the way down 48%. There's no way. I know many of you may be saying that, but understand that monthly chart in Kaspa definitely shows that it's possible. Now, it may not happen tomorrow. It may not happen in 2 to 3 weeks. It may not happen in 3 months. But understand that this price continues its trend to the downside like we're currently seeing, then yes, it's very possible. Now, it's not going to be a quick movement like this. You're not going to see the market in Kaspa do this. I mean, you can. It's a probable thing, but I think it's less likely right now. What the market would do is it'll come down, trade a little bit, come down again, trade a little bit, something of that sort. Okay, so as of right now, do you think the market in Kaspa is a buy? Because actually I do think the market in Kaspa is going to go higher, but I'm going to put all that into perspective. You know, I don't want you all to think that I'm going to give you all the price target of like 10 cents, 20 cents, $1, like so many other YouTube channels do. But I do think that the market is gaining a little bit of momentum to where maybe we could see it hit 0.036. You know, let's put this into context. Maybe around 0.037, right? Because the market trend is definitely still there. The market currently is still bullish. We still have to compensate, though, that there's still some selling in the market, which is why I'm not going to be massively bullish. These two 330-minute price bars resemble selling. And then you have this one right here. Okay, so these buyers, they really have to do a lot of buying in order to take this market up substantially higher. Okay, so let me put this on the chart and we'll be through. Yeah, that's a pretty firm area of resistance right here. So keep that in mind as I drop this price prediction. So let me go ahead and put this on the chart and we'll be finished. So that will have to be my first target for Kaspa, right there around 0.036. That's my first target. My second one is going to be on the highs of these two daily bars on the 29th and the 30th, which is right there around 0.037, which is 4.87. And then my third target, like, it will have to be on this downtrend line. Okay, anywhere on that downtrend line will have to be my third target. So as long as Kaspa's price holds the support area, that is how we're going to play and look for market to move. Okay, so go ahead and give me your thoughts. I'm finished. Hit the like button, survey, and also subscribe to the channel and give me your thoughts.